How many of you want to be healthy? How many of you want to be a healthy lifestyle? If you are the one who wants that, and I'm assuming that all of you are watching this video wants a healthy lifestyle, then you might be doing something for it. Or maybe not. So in today's video, we will talk about some of the habits that can lead to a healthy lifestyle. So the first one is avoid junk food. Yes, this is the regular advice given by many of the doctors around the world to avoid the junk food. If you reduce, or you can say eliminate these foods from your this body, then you will see a lot of difference. If you try to have a weight loss, then avoiding this can be a very helpful. Second one, drink lots of water. Lots means lots. Since your body is excreting a lots of chemicals, if you drink a lot of water, they can excrete through your sweat or maybe through other parts as well, maybe your urine. But this can happen only if you drink a lots of water. Otherwise, the chemicals which are released in the body will be in the body and produce a lots of diseases in you. Third one, take a vacation. Take a vacation from your work and go somewhere so that you can have a new mind, right? Take a vacation from your work. See, if you take a vacation, then your mind will be fresh. You can concentrate more on the things. The fourth one is have a great night's sleep. Maybe at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. This will help your body to regenerate in a better way, and you will see if you sleep in a better or in more organized way, you will see a lot of productivity increase in your life. And the last one is take nutrients, minerals and vitamins. Take lots of supplements, because in today's world every food you eat is contaminated with the pollution. Every food you are eating is contaminated with the urea, pesticides in it. If you talk about the old days, they don't use these types of things, and the nutrients in the food is very well and is very good for your health. But if you talk about today, I'll recommend to take some extra nutrients, vitamins, minerals in your diet. And by the way, if you want a career in this thing, you can contact or DM me directly. I'll show you how you can make a living out of it and have a great lifestyle as well as healthy life. See, if you follow some of the steps, you will see a change in your lifestyle. The skin starts to glow. You become looking much younger than before. People will compliment you. People will say, how is this happening? And the secret you already know about. And if you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family members so that they can also benefit from it. To remember these things, to living healthy lifestyle, you should take these steps so that you can make impact on this your body and make impact in this